Hello friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep guys. And for the BARC guys, this atomic series, I will be taking today few numericals of CPM, PERT, CPM and highway engineering. Okay, so first we'll go with highway and then we'll be going with the PERT CPM. And guys, about BARC, let me tell you guys, 100 question, every question of 3 marks, 300 marks, negative marking is -1/3 guys. Okay, and syllabus of BARC is GATE minus aptitude. Okay, GATE syllabus other than aptitude, or you can say technical plus mathematics. Now guys, what is the cutoff? As you can go BARC through its own exam and through the GATE also. So I have made a video about the BARC cutoff guys, through the cutoff of the written exam also and cutoff of the BARC GATE score also. So you can see that right now I'm not remembering, but I guess it is 102 or 104, around 300 in its written exam. And for GATE score you can refer to that video. Now guys, one more thing guys, why many students are not able to clear a competition exam apart from the concepts and hard work. Let me tell you guys, if their syllabus is not completed, that's why suppose they have not performed well in GATE 2024, then they started and hitting the BARC. Okay, now they started, their motive is now BARC. I have also given the interview in BARC, that time in my time it was only through GATE, Anushakti Nagar, Bombay. However, I was not selected in interview, but I have given the interview. Now guys, why the students are not selected? Yes, the primary reason is concepts and hard work, but some other reasons are like they have completed 20% and 30% syllabus and now they are started for preparing BARC. Guys, after the BARC in the month of March, suppose in April there will be a state PSC, they will start preparing for that. Then in June there will be BHL, they will start preparing for that. Guys, every 2 months or 1 month there is a new exam, national level exam will be coming and you started preparing for that. Guys, no. Every time I say your first cycle of preparation should be complete. Okay, once you start preparation, your first 7 to 8 months should be complete. Okay, where you are focusing the coverage of the syllabus. Once you cover the syllabus, then you can start hitting the targets. Okay, now guys, moving further. For this guys, this is about me guys, so all of you already know this. This is my telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. This is the workshop of Richa ma'am that will be on 28th of Feb at 7:30 PM, where she will be telling how to ace GATE 2025 with college or job. Okay, now moving forward guys, this is the ground zero series on app that we are teaching every subject from the ground level guys, 0 level, and this is the post GATE guidance sessions on the app. Okay, so this is the first question guys. First we'll be dealing with the questions of highway and then we will be going to the questions of PERT CPM. Let me tell you guys, as the highway weightage is much more than the PERT CPM, okay, so therefore we will be doing more questions of highway engineering. Also guys, the BARC level, difficulty level is okay, more than most of the comprehensive exam, but still I will say that not more than the GATE examination. Therefore, the questions will be little lesser than that. Okay, hi Rahul, how are you? Good evening guys. Please share the session to all. Okay. Come on. Everyone, hit the questions. Hit the questions guys. Good evening, I'm good. Health is better. Okay, so guys, why grade compensation is done? Suppose there is a circular curve like this and the wheel is suppose a rear engine wheel, not 4x4. Okay, so the steering is connected to the front wire, so the driver will be turning and the front tires will be connecting like this, head turned. At that very small instant, when the tires are rotated like this, but engine is connected to the rear wheels, like Wagoner, Alto, in all these cars the engine is connected to the rear wheel. So here they don't know, they don't have the brain, they don't have the brain cells, they don't know that it is turned like this and they will provide the force like this only. This wheelbase will be providing the force like this, this is the tractive force. But now we are not going here, as the tires are tilted we are going here. Suppose this angle is alpha, so the power we are getting is T cos alpha. Of course the cos alpha is less than 1, the power is reduced. Actually engine is applying the power T, but in the desired direction we are getting only a fraction of that T. Of course it's okay, our power is reduced, and sometimes when we are going to Shimla, Okay, when we are going to a hill, and our power will be reduced because mg sin theta component will be downwards also, w sin theta or mg sin theta. Our power is reduced due to this while going uphill. Our power is reduced due to this in curve. Now suppose both the factors are combined, uphill plus turn. So due to uphill, our power will reduce. Due to turn, our power will be reduced, and might be a nano like cars which are not going above may fall down. Therefore guys, at the turn, while going in hill, when both the combinations are there, while going in the hill, at the turn the gradient is reduced a bit. That is called grade compensation, so that this mg sin theta can be reduced, and the reduced gradient is called grade compensated gradient. So how much to reduce? So we have to reduce 30 plus r by r. Okay, so 30 plus 80 by 80, this value of grade compensation is coming to be 1.375, but as per IRC the maximum should be 75 by r, 75 by 80. So maximum grade compensation can be 0.9375. Okay, so guys, and grade compensation is only required when grade is more than 4%. So nothing is written about that. So we are it is more than 4%, so we'll apply. When it is more than 4%, then only we apply, and by reduction it should not come below 4%. So it is more than 4%, we'll apply minimum of this. Okay, actually you learn like this, we have to apply minimum of this. No, actually it's not like this, although numerically it will be correct. Actually we have to apply this, then we have to check with the maximum value. So we have to apply this, but this is the maximum value, so we'll be applying this. Okay, so it is 6.5 minus 0.9375. This is grade compensation. This is grade compensation 0.9375, and after reduction guys, what we will get? 5.5625. 5.5625. That is D option. That is D option. Everyone got it? Give me yes or no. Everyone guys, come on. Any doubt? Everyone guys, come on. No doubt. Excellent. This is question number 2. Do this now. Do this now. Come on, Shrivani, Rahul, Mukesh. The design speed of 2-lane road is 70 km per hour. A design vehicle with a wheelbase of this is negotiating horizontal corner. Off tracking. Off tracking is L square by 2r. This is off tracking. By how much the wheel goes off the track, and off tracking is always guys for single lane road. Okay, the off tracking is this. L is given. No. So 7 square by 2r is equal to 0.12. So what is the value of r from here? What is the value of r from here guys? Come on, tell me. Is it coming 204.167? Okay, and now extra widening is asked. So in SI units, the required widening is NL square by 2r plus V by 2.64 root r. But here the V value should be in meter per second, so you can convert that in meter per second. Or you can apply the formula of kilometer per hour, that is NL square by 2r plus V upon 9.5 root r. Any formula you will apply, you will getting the answer as 0.756. Okay, 0.756 meters. This is the extra widening. Okay. Everyone, any doubt here? No. Question number 3. Here the perception time they are asking. Perception time means the reaction time. For the given guys, SSD is equal to Vt in SI units, V square by 2G into mu. Everything is in SI units. Okay. Now stopping side distances, how much it is coming? Stopping side distance, they are giving 170. V is equal to, this is in meter per second, into T that we want. V is equal to 90 into 5 by 18 square 2. This is the lag distance and this is the braking distance. 9.81 into 0.35. What is the value of reaction time T from here? If it is not given, we take it 2.5 seconds. Is it coming 3.159 seconds? Little slow, yeah. Little slow reaction time of this driver. Even 2.5 second reaction time is not the actual reaction time, guys. That reaction time is below which 90 percentile drivers have slower time. So this is very poor. Guys, we take reaction time of Abhinav Negi can be 0.5 seconds, can be some other 0.7 seconds, can be some other 1 seconds. So that is 98% percentile reaction time. Okay, even most of the drivers are having less time than that, and this is taking very much. Okay, now the ratio of the braking, not the SSD, the ratio of the braking distance. So SSD of up gradient, guys, this ratio has to be less than 1, because up gradient it will stop early and down gradient it will take more time. Okay, traveling on ascent, it will ratio has to be less than 1, so D cannot be the answer. D, this is how you can eliminate the options in the exam, guys. This is how you can eliminate the options in the exam, guys. Tell me the answers on the comment section, everyone, fast. Fast, guys, come on. Come on. बता दो भाई. कितना आ रहा है? How much you are getting? Please tell me. चलो. हाँ. So guys, SSD is VT plus, braking distance is V square by 2G mu plus minus 0.01 n. So anyhow these terms will be cancelled. Okay, so in the upward gradient it is 1 upon mu plus 0.01 n. V square by 2G will be cancelled, and this will be 1 divided by mu 0.01 n. Mu value is given, 0.36, n is 4, n is 4. So how much you are getting? 0.8, everyone. Mukesh, Mayank. Okay, now let's move to the next question. हाँ, क्या कह रहा है ये? A vehicle was traveling at a speed of 54 km per hour. Okay, speed तो ज़्यादा नहीं थी भाई. He noticed an obstacle and immediately applies the brake. Good. If the length of the skid marks is 45.20, what is the efficiency of the vehicle brakes? Assume the coefficient of longitudinal friction is 0.36. Efficiency is asked. Okay. Now skid marks is not the lag distance. Skid marks is not the SSD. Skid marks is only coming in the braking. Okay. So braking distance is equal to 45.20 meters. So it is braking distance is V square 2 in, we'll apply the brake efficiency here also na. Okay, so this is 45.20 2G mu into efficiency. So V square is 54 into 5 by 18. Can be asked in ESC also, because 18 to 54 calculations will be a bit easier. Not very easy, but it will be easier. 2 into 9.81 into 0.36 into efficiency is equal to 45.20. So what is the value coming from here, guys? What is the brake efficiency? 0.05 will be the coming 0.05. So that is 70.5%. That is 70.5%. That is option number D. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here, guys? Come on, let me know. No doubt? Okay. The width of the carriageway recommended by IRC. जल्दी बता दो. भाई देखो, वैसे तो जब तक कर्व नहीं होता है तब तक वी टेक इट 3.75 फॉर सिंगल लेन एंड फॉर मल्टी लेन्स इट इज 3.5 per lane. For multi lanes it is 3.5 meter per lane, but here without a raised curve they are asking. Okay, without a raised curve. Okay, without ही कह रहा है, वो with raised curve के साथ ज़्यादा होता है. So it is 3.75 meter for single lane and thereafter without curve it is 3.5 meter per lane. So it is 2, so it will be 7 meter. Give me yes or no. And double lane with curve how much? If it is curve also, if it is curve, double lane curve, then answer will be how much? If guys, if this is the question I am taking na, I have not leaked the paper of BARC, so this is without curve. So with curve how much? With curve it is 7.5. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, in a heavy rainfall with water-bound macadam, a 3.8 meter district road, then the height of the ground above the edges is. चलो जल्दी बता दो. इन हैवी रेनफॉल आपको एक डाटा याद करना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ पे जो कैम्बर होता है वो 1 वर्टिकल इन 33 हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्राउन. ओके, एंड 3.8 मीटर, सो दिस विल बी हाफ एंड हाफ, 1.9. So what is the height? This x value they are asking. So in 33, this slope should be 33 to 1 vertical. So in 1 it will be 1 by 33. I don't remember any formula. So in 1.9 it will be 1 by 33 into 1.9. Tell me the value. 1 by 33 into 1.9. 0.0575. 0.0575 meters. So in mm it will be how much? 57 point. Guys, see, I have not remembered any formula here. Whatever the formula you apply, I am not remembering any formula. Just with simple mathematics. Yes, Brock Lesnar is also here. Okay. You very khatarnak names you all have here. Okay. Now, these sometimes the database questions also. What is the desired width of median without a median barrier for expressway? Chalo. Desired width is 15 meter. Okay. Without a meridian barrier. And with meridian barrier, it is 4.5. Okay. So with meridian, without, the range is from 10 to 15. If minimum should be 10, at least 15 we should be giving. So if nothing is asked, that is the case of some scarcity, कुछ चीज की कमी है, पैसे की, स्पेस की तब कमी है, तब 10. Otherwise it should be 15. If both the answers are there, we have to apply 15. Minimum यहाँ तक नहीं जाना है. जैसे वो environment में होता है ना, cause of rejection. This is acceptable limit, but this below this is the cause of rejection. So if both are mentioned, then it will be 15. And with this is without, and if meridian barrier is there, with barrier it is 4.5. With barrier it is 4.5. चलो एक्स्ट्रा वाइडनिंग का तो एक केस कर ही लिया है, तो इसको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. चलो, what is the maximum value of centrifugal force to avoid overturning of a vehicle of weight 8 tons? The height of the center of mass of vehicle is 2.4 and the distance between the tire and the opposite direction is 2.2 meter. Okay, this is the height. The height of the center of mass of the vehicle is 2.4. Okay, and the distance between the tire, this we call it with H also. This is B, and the B value is distance between tires in opposite directions 2.2 meter. Do it here and tell me the answers. Do it and tell me the answer. What is the maximum value of centrifugal force to avoid overturning a vehicle of weight 8 tons? The height of this is this. Now guys, centrifugal force will be mv square by r. mv square by r, and this mv square by r movement about this tire will be mv square by r into h. This should be lesser or at most equal to who will be balancing weight component, mg into b by 2. This will be balancing it. Okay, mv square by r into h will be toppling and mg into b by 2 will be resting this. So this centrifugal ratio, that is v square by gr, should be at least equal to m to m cancel, b by 2h. So here whatever the values are given, what is the maximum value of centrifugal force? अच्छा, mv square by r का ही पूरा पूछ रहा है, mv square by r का ही पूरा वैल्यू पूछ रहा है ये. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू? सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स ही पूछ रहा है, पूरा सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स पूछ रहा है. ओके, इन टन्स. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स टन्स में कैसे आएगा? सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स टन्स में कैसे आएगा? ठीक है, ये है ना b by 2h, v square by gr is b by 2h. ठीक है, तो हमें b by 2h कितना होगा? what is b? 2.2. h कितना होगा? 2 into 2.4. करेक्ट. अब ये वैल्यू किसकी आएगी? v square by gr की. this value will be v square by gr, and how much it is coming? How much it is coming? 2.2 upon 2 into 2.4. जितनी भी वैल्यू आएगी उसको आप m से और मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स आ जाएगा. इसको m से और इनफैक्ट नहीं, m से नहीं, ठीक है, हो तो गया सॉल्व. ये v स्क्वायर बाई जी आर की वैल्यू आएगी. सो v स्क्वायर बाई जी आर वैल्यू इज दिस, बट वी डोंट वांट v स्क्वायर बाई जी आर वैल्यू. v स्क्वायर बाई जी आर वैल्यू इज 2.2 upon 2 into 2.4. So what is the value of v square by r? v square by r is 2.2 upon 2 into 2.4 into g, but we want mv square by r, so multiply by m. Mass is given as 8 tons. Mass is given as 8 tons. So how much is the value? And it is asking in tons only, not in force. So in mass को मल्टीप्लाई करो और डिवाइड बाय जी भी करो, क्योंकि दे आर नॉट आस्किंग इन mg, दे आर नॉट आस्किंग इन न्यूटन्स. इफ इट इज न्यूटन्स देन इट विल बी g. mg is newtons, but divide by g, m is only mass, that is tons. That is why I am dividing by g, because they are not asking in newtons. So this value is coming out to be 3.66. Give me yes or no, guys. Hi Brock Lesnar, anybody, any doubt, please let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Everyone, every commando. Any doubt? No? Okay, do this fast. Chalo, let me see who can do it fastest. Let me see who can do it fastest, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay, what they are asking, what is the optimum cycle length? C naught is equal to 1.5 into L plus 5, 1 minus Y. What is the value of Y? Y1 plus Y2. What is the value of Y? Normal flow on A and B are 500, 300, saturation are 1500 and 1000. So Y1 is Q1 by S1, 500 by 1500, and Y2 is 300 by 1000. So what is the y value from here? Calculate the y value, come on. 0.63. Okay, now what is the L? N into TL plus all that time. L is equal to 2n plus R. Initial loss time is 2n plus R. All that time is given 12 seconds. Okay, all that time is given as 12 seconds, and number of this phase 2, 16. So here L is equal to 16. Put L and Y value. Put L and Y value. What is the value of C naught? What is the value of C naught? Tell me. 78 point something you are getting. 78 point something you are getting. Please tell me. Brock Lesnar is saying no. For which question? For which question you are saying no? Tell me. Okay, चलो रेडियस ऑफ रिलेटिव स्टिफनेस बताओ. व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ रिलेटिव स्टिफनेस? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ रिलेटिव स्टिफनेस? बता दो भाई लोग. फॉर्मूला याद है वो EH/Q अपन वो होता है. मेरे को भी देखना पड़ेगा भाई, फॉर्मूला तो मेरे को भी याद नहीं रहता है. What is the radius of relative stiffness? Radius of relative stiffness का E into H cube क्या है फॉर्मूला? E into H cube 12K 1 minus mu square की पावर 1/4. अच्छा, अब K की वैल्यू बता दो. बाकी तो सब दे ही रखा है. म्यू दे रखा है. दिस इज म्यू. ये ई भी दे रखा है. ई दे रखा है, म्यू दे रखा है, एच भी दे रखा है. तो इसमें एच गिवन है, ई गिवन है, म्यू गिवन है. के बताओ. के बता दो भाई. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ के? What is the value of K? K कैसे निकालेंगे स्टिफनेस? P बाय डेल्टा कहाँ है? दे रखा है 1.25 settlement at this 0.75 pressure. Okay, so 0.75 upon 0.125 if I want in centimeter, because other values are also in that. So from here you are getting how much? 6. So put all these values here. Put all these values here. What is the final value of L you are getting? Tell me. What is the final value of L you are getting? चलो बताओ. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एल? इसको सारा कैलकुलेट करके 90.33 आ रहा है क्या? सेंटीमीटर्स. 90.33 सेंटीमीटर्स, और इन मीटर्स इट विल बी 0.9 मीटर. प्लीज डू चेक. प्लीज डू चेक, गेटिंग सेम वैल्यू। चलो, फॉर अ गुड पेमेंट सरफेस ऑफ अ हाई स्पीड हाईवे द इंटरनेशनल रेफरेंस इंडेक्स IRI is 2.805 per kilometer. The bump indicator will be, what will be the bump indicator? What will be the bump indicator? बम्प इंडिकेटर क्या होता है? 630 whatever is international reference index to the power 1.12. तो 630 into 2.805 की पावर 1.2 पहले वैल्यू बताओ। 2000 mm पर किलोमीटर आ रहा है क्या? 2000 mm पर किलोमीटर आएगा, ए ऑप्शन। प्लीज डू चेक, चेक करो चेक करो चेक करो फटाफट से, कंफर्म करो एक बार वैल्यू यार, एक बार वैल्यू प्लीज कंफर्म करिए। एक बार वैल्यू कोई कंफर्म कर दो। 1527, नहीं श्रीवानी का तो 1999 आ रहा है। चलो, इफ द सेल्फ पेड ऑफ द पेमेंट इज कंसिडर्ड द टेम्परेचर स्ट्रेस एट द टॉप सरफेस ड्यूरिंग मिड नाइट, नाइट टाइम, डे टाइम में नहीं, डे टाइम में तो आंसर इसका अपोजिट आएगा। चलो, मिडनाइट में क्या होगा स्ट्रेस? कोई बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन पे। भाई नाइट के समय क्या होगा ना, नाइट के समय यहां पे टेम्परेचर T1 कम होगा और T2 ज्यादा होगा, तो T1 विल बी लेस देन T2। ठीक है, T1 T2 से ज्यादा, तो कंपैरिजन में T2 ज्यादा बढ़ना जाएगा, नीचे वाला ज्यादा बढ़ना चाहेगा, नीचे वाला ज्यादा बढ़ना चाहेगा, पर वेट रोकेगा ऐसा बोलने से। वेट है इनर्शिया की तरह, यहाँ पे वेट है, यहाँ पे इनर्शिया की तरह वेट रोकेगा। तो ये छोटा होना चाहता है पर इसका इनर्शिया इसको छोटा नहीं होने देगा, तो यहाँ पे टेंशन आएगा। ये बड़ा होना चाहता है, इट वांट्स टू इंक्रीज, बट वेट कहाँ, वेट सेल्फ वेट ट्राइज टू रेजिस्ट इट, so here compression will come, stress opposite na। in daytime this will be more, so in daytime, at daytime what will happen, it wants to increase more temperature, so here compression will be coming to resist it। got it everyone? please tell me। Any doubt? Okay, so guys, in BARC the questions of PERT CPM are not much, therefore we are also taking not much questions here। Okay, if the completion time of APCD, okay, एक एक्टिविटी A थी, एक एक्टिविटी B थी, एक एक्टिविटी ये थी, एक एक्टिविटी ये थी, इससे हमारा काम हो रहा था। सबसे पहले कब होगा भाई? एक पेन को ढक्कन बनाने में इतना टाइम लगता है, रिफिल बनाने में इतना टाइम लगता है, उसकी बॉडी बनाने में इतना टाइम लगता है, और कुछ और चीज़ बनाने में इतना टाइम लगता है। तो पेन तो इतने टाइम, पूरा पेन बनने में तो इतना समय लगेगा ना यार, जल्दी बता दो। If suppose a pen is made by 4 parts and 4 part is made in this much days, another part in this days, another part in this days, another part in this days. So total part it will take this much time na to make pen. Yes or no? ओके ये एक बार क्वेश्चन करना है, इसका आंसर तो ये है, ये आप होमवर्क में लो, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। जैसे ये कोई डाउट हो ना, आप मेरे को टेलीग्राम पे बोलना, सिविल बाय अभिनव सर पे, इमीडिएटली आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द सॉल्यूशन। ओके, कमेंट जिसका आ जाए वो कमेंट पे आंसर जरूर लिखना। आई वांट टू सी दैट हु कैन सॉल्व दिस। ओके, डू दिस। Do this. Consider the following statements of a network. Only one time estimate is required for each activity. किसके लिए? CPM के लिए। सही है। 3 time estimate तो PERT में चाहिए होता है। Time and cost are both controlling factors. Yes, it is built of it is CPM is activity oriented. It is activity oriented. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay, do this. Optimistic time, what is expected time? 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 divided by 6, 13, 18 by 6 is equal to 3 days. Please check. Okay, now guys, what is sigma? Standard deviation TP minus T naught by 6, 5 minus 1. Sorry, वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ, 6 नहीं 4. 5 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. And this you have to remember, for 95% probability now, what is the range? For 99%, T minus 2 sigma से लेके TE plus 2 sigma तक. For 95% range, this goes from TE minus 2 sigma upon TE plus 2 sigma. What is TE? 3 minus 2 into 1. So 3 plus 2 into 1. So 3 minus 2 into 1 is 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 guys, in which there is 95% chances. Okay, okay guys, so this is a repeat question. Okay guys, you can join me in my telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Vision courses are available in 25 and 26 both, which is in English and Hindi. You can join, where we are teaching from basic level. Okay, so thank you guys. Any doubt you want to ask me, you can ask. Okay, so thank you, take care.